Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you two methods on how to remove sticker label from your African print fabric. If you are new to the channel, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. So we are going to place our tissue paper on top of the fabric like you see me do. The next thing we are going to do is to use our iron to press on top the tissue paper. Please be careful at this point not to burn your fabric. Don't let the iron to be too hot. We are going to press for like some minutes, 10 seconds or thereabout. Then remove your iron and remove the tissue paper. You see? Then remove the sticker label gently. See, it's coming out so easy. So now the next thing, we are going to place back the tissue, fold the label before throwing it out. As you can see, it's still gummy. So we are going to place back the tissue paper on top of the fabric like you see me do. So now we are going to iron on top the tissue paper to remove the remaining gum. We apply heat, keep applying the heat so that the heat will make the gum to come out easily. Now we'll take out the iron and remove the tissue paper. You notice now there is no more gum. It's easy now, it's no more sticking to the hand. So we are going to repeat the process on the second sticker label. Apply your tissue paper on top like you see me do. And we are going to use our iron and iron on top the tissue paper. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Now remove the iron and remove the tissue paper. Then remove your sticker. So see, very easy. Then you notice that it's still gummy. Now apply back the tissue paper. Put back the tissue paper. Then iron on top. Now remove the iron and remove our tissue paper. paper. You notice there is no more gumming. So it's very easy. This first method is very easy. Now we'll go over to the second method. For this second method, we need our fabric, our kerosene. That's kerosene I put in a cup to be easy for me. Then a fabric to clean it. Next thing we are going to do is to turn the fabric at the back. You can see. Try and turn the back where the sticker is. Then you iron the exact position where the sticker is. Apply it, but be careful not to burn your clothes. See? The exact place where the sticker is where you iron. You don't need to iron other parts because you don't need them. Okay, see, I almost burned my clothes there. That's why I said you should be careful not to burn your clothes. You can see the label is squeezed because the iron was too hot. Now we are going to remove the label. You can see it come out very easy, but I almost burned my clothes then. Next we are going to dip our fabric on the kerosene, just a little bit, not too much. Then apply it on top the surface where the gum is. You can see a little bit is coming out, so easy. Now we are going to use the same process on this method. I want to show you that even if you use kerosene on white fabric, it will not stain the fabric. See? This method now we are going to use the tissue paper method because I don't want to burn my fabric by ironing on the back. So I place our tissue paper on top the fabric and apply heat like you see me do. Then remove the fabric, remove the tissue paper and remove your sticker. It's very easy. You don't need to go to the stretch of turning it at the back. The next thing is to the same cloth you use it to clean it. You see, it's very easy. It's coming out so easy. This one you don't need to press for a long time before the gum will come out. You just apply a little bit of kerosene and you are good. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching to this point. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video and share it to your family and friends. I will see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.